Okay, guys, today after my CDS, I decided to take the Lagos Blue Rail Line train from my two to Marina at Victoria Island. So I entered the hall, train station hall. Then I got the train card, recharged the card, and from then head to the entrance of the train. I commend the Lagos State government for this project so far. This is a landmark achievement. I think once the project is completed, the traffic issue of Lagos will be resolved because most passengers will prefer using the train, even on those going to Alaba International Market. From there, you can get the train to CMS, even to Aja, Lekki, and all of that. Marina Station. Which